car. It's a car. It's a car. It's a car. It's a car.
Those are some heavy keys.
It's probably a box with lots of mini boxes in it.
Who do you think it's from?
There's lots of boxes.
I think it's from
Santa.
Could be a decoy.
It's from Santa.
You go for it. Santa look for that.
I'm gonna surprise it.
What is it?
You got me laugh.
It's a laptop. Open it. Maybe it's not a laptop. Maybe it is. Maybe it is.
Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Whispering and get the scissors.
Ooh.
Moment.
Moment ruined. Good job. Yeah. Huh? I don't know.
Wow.
Ah, maybe it is a laptop after all.
Maybe it's laptop. Ooh, oh my.
Okay, now open the card.
Who
got that for you?
TI 4567.
Who got that for you? I don't know. I'll have to find out.
Wow, I want
Nice.
one.
Oh!
Your mom.
Oh, she's really crying.
Why would you do something of you, laptop?
You did get your laptop.
I got a camera. Well, it kind of was half me. Who got it for you? Wait, who got it? Who got it?
Epic card read.
Hey, you're making me cry.
Sorry. Thank you.
You can talk to them later.
So you guys all put in.
I think she loves it.